teachers at Gibberagong EEC. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to navigate through the Mangrove Fieldwork program. This is a virtual program that replicates some of the activities that students do when they come out into the field itself. I'm just going to navigate down the page, and under the welcome it tells me that there's 5 activities to be done as part of this resource, and you'll notice that those activities correlate to the pages in the navigation at the top there. The next thing it does ask is to download and copy the student fieldwork booklet. So I'm going to do that now. Make a copy. That copy is going to be saved into my Google Drive, and I'm just going to change the name of it up here to David's copy. Alright, now I'm ready to get started. I could put my name and class up there if I was going to submit it. And if I scroll down this page, it tells me that the first activity I'm going to do is on Activity 1, Site Information. And it tells me here that to go to the section called Drone Footage of Bobbin Head, and to view the drone footage of Bobbin Head and answer the questions below. And the first question asks, name the 5 built features of Bobbin Head you can see, and name 2 natural features of Bobbin Head. I'm going to go back to my resource. I'm going to go to up the top to number 1, Activity 1, Site Information. I'm going to scroll down to find where it says drone footage of Bobbin Head. Now remember, it's asked me to look in this video for natural and built features. So if I start playing the video, I can already tell that there are lots of built features I can see. Cars, picnic shelters, boats. I can see trees and water are some of the natural features. So I'm just going to pause that there, and I'm going to go back to my worksheet. I'm going to say built features. I've got picnic shelters, boats, and then I could write 3 more under there, and 2 natural features. I think we said water and lots of trees. Okay, well the next section would ask me to go to the Bobbin Head Google map. If I scroll down, I'll come to the Bobbin Head Google map, and I would investigate this map and answer those questions. Once I've finished all the activities for Activity 1, I would then work my way through to Activity 2, which is on crabs, then Activity 3, mangroves, 4, fieldwork equipment, 5, fieldwork task, and once you finish that one, you finish the resource. At the very end, it asks for some feedback. I'd really appreciate if you could fill in just these 2 questions here, and that gives us some guidance in changing this around. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed the resource.